I sit here from 9 to 5, 5 days a week, 4 weeks a month, 12 months a year. That's 1,920 hours, or 115,200 minutes, or 6,912,000 seconds.
And I sit here with the countless other drones, counting off those 6 million seconds, so I can do it next year, and the year after that, and the year after that. And this all gets to a point until I'm too old to work, and then I'll find myself on some hospital bed, dying helplessly. And to think that it was just last spring, at commencement, when people were telling me that I had my whole life ahead of me. Excuse me. You'd like to see me, sir? May I ask why? Of course, sir. Right away.
Come in. Bert! Is this your idea of a joke?
Sorry, you just called me?
It's been a week, Bert. A week. No. Forget about it. Your numbers reveal from last month that you haven't been spending nearly enough time on your accounts, Bert. Just look at your numbers. I don't want to pay you to waste this company's time, Bert. It's an asset which is far more valuable than your place at this company. This is a warning. If you don't come back in the next 5 days with better numbers...
That's 40 hours, or 2,400 minutes, or 144,000 seconds of work.
Throw you out, and then I'm going to burn down your house, buy you another one, and then burn it again. Do you understand? I'll see you back here at the end of the week. Now go! Go home! And I don't want to see your sorry ass in here for the rest of the week. Understand?
They say that it's not easy to break free of the cycle, working year after year at a dead-end job. There's no promise that you'll find anything better. Leaving could very well mean that you're out of time.
Time in motion. People skillfully weave in between each other, on a mission to get to their next destination on time. Someone's told them that they have a certain amount of hours, minutes, seconds to get to where they need to be. I think just the idea of splitting up existence into small units, time, is absurd. These, arbitrary subdivisions, hours, minutes, seconds, they're all meaningless. But so much can happen in these instances.
A woman flips her hair. A man makes a half step. Two people embrace each other.
If this is all happening in an instant, why do people mindlessly use large units of time to control their life? Years, decades, centuries even. Why should we let time guide how we live our life?
You're not supposed to be back for another 2 hours.
That's 120 minutes, or 7,200 seconds.
Your mother called. Are you there?
I think I lost my job.
You're pathetic. You've been this way your whole life. Never taking control of the situation. I stayed with you all this time because I was convinced that you would change after you graduated. But it seems as if things have just gotten worse. Parting from your mother and nearly losing your job? Can't live with somebody who doesn't have control of his own life.
It's true. I've never really harnessed my existence.
Of time and eternity. Now, everyone needs to pay attention to this, but it appears as though some of you, Bert, are not paying attention. You haven't been spending enough time on this. I think tonight you ought to do a graphic interpretation, Bert.
Bert, it's time for bed. You have to wake up early tomorrow.
I'm sorry for your loss, Bert, but there was nothing you could do. Everybody's time comes to an end at some point.
Take control of your existence, Bert, for your own sake.
Back after an hour and a half?
That's 90 minutes, or 5,400 seconds.
Do you want me to fucking fire you?
No. I quit.